This is Mystery Side Hustle, and today's question is how much money can you make as a mystery shopper? So, this totally varies, but to be totally honest, you can make $0 all the way up to $200, but even thousands of dollars. And let me explain why. For $0, you pretty much will be a reimbursement type of shop where they want you to go into maybe a restaurant and they want you to have a meal, bring your significant other, maybe even bring your kid, and they want you to report back. With that shop, there is no fee and they will pretty much reimburse you for the entire meal. Also, this can go for if you wanted to go on an actual vacation. They can send you to Disney World. They can send you to Crayola Land. They can send you anywhere and they will pay for your entire experience, the admission, your food, your drinks, your activities. They will reimburse you for all of that and they will not provide an actual pay because they are reimbursing you for all of that. So this is the two different scenarios, but there are many more of why you would get $0 for a mystery shop. Now, when it comes to the $200 range, that depends upon the actual location. So if you see here on this actual picture I have uploaded from a current shop that needs to be filled inside of a different state. So I blocked out the actual information because again, this is supposed to be a mystery shop, but if you sign up and become a subscriber for me, I will be posting links to these different type of jobs that you can actually get for these high price shops and also for free trips. So for this one in particularly, you will be going to an actual casino. And as you see here, you have an over $1,000 of expenses you can actually do and get reimbursed for. And you actually get some money, over $100. Now, the one thing about these type of shops is you can expect it to be very, very, very detailed. So you have to be on your P's and Q's and be very observant when you are indeed doing a shop like this. The higher the money, the more you must be alert and you must write a lot more. So if you're not into writing, I would not suggest to you to just jump into the pool of mystery shopping and do a shop like this. Build yourself up doing smaller shops that are paying less or maybe zero to get your feet wet before you do a shop like this that has so many intricate parts that it's going to be maybe a little bit overwhelming. But yes, you are able to make money from $0 all the way up to 200 and even sometimes thousands of dollars because they just need these type of jobs done and they need people like us to go in there and get it for them.